Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And last video we created consolidation breakout on a particular time frame. So on the price based consolidation, so which we have created on a charting. So having a good response about the video and also some comments about intraday. So let me try to create a scanner for an intraday in this video, that is charting scanners, which we are going to create in this video. And I'm just going to show you the step by guide, and I'm not going to use any custom indicator here. And you can also follow the steps to create the scanner. And daily based, which we have created, and a lot of stocks, and based on the scanner which you have created, and it will be exactly showing you how many stocks which forming such a pattern, and after that the breakout which is happening on a particular day. So that we are looking for. So here it is a 4% consolidation in the price, almost over the period of 10-15 days. After that, this is the day where it is closed, and then we got some good movement, and maybe our stop loss is not maximum 4% because our range for the consolidation is 4%. Okay, so maybe the least level would be a 4% comparing to the highest level. We are taking out the closing about the consolidation, and it will be telling you the risk is less than 4%. So how do we find for an intraday? So intraday, if you are creating, maybe I just try to create with the 5 minutes and then 15 minutes, and how to use it also very difficult in intraday, because if you are taking an intraday chart, it will be combining from previous day and today, but most of the time if 9:15, 9:30, so we can also find out the breakout. So let me check that and first uh, 5 minutes time frame. So why I'm just looking for a 5 minutes time frame, I'll explain you why I'm just looking at a 5 minutes time frame. In this case, I'm just looking for a less than 1% consolidation. Okay, so it must be greater than, already we given you the core. So we are going to create a 5%, sorry, 5 minutes. Just we have to create 5 minutes, and it should be a -1, and here we are making a high of that particular candle. That is what 5 minutes, and we are going to divide that to minimum and -1 5 minutes, and the low should be, it should be a low. Okay, so simple. This is what a condition. So what we are looking for, 20 candle 5 minutes consolidation would be less than 1%. Okay, so let me check any stock which forming. So here IEX, lot of stocks is showing you here. So MGL, let me check whether it is right or wrong. MGL, so we are looking at 10 candle on a 5 minutes time frame. So it should be less than 1%, 0.1%, that is a 1%. So if you are calculating last 20 candles from this, so almost up to this level. Okay, so let me mark the level, which is whether it is less than 1% or not. It is about a 0.74%, that is almost 13 bars. We are calculating 20 bars. So up to from this level, it's a 1% consolidation. So we are looking for a breakout on this. After the consolidation, we are looking for a breakout. And if you are exactly look this is what today's trade, which is exactly all the data are inside. But if you are looking at a back test report, so let me, before that we will be creating the one more condition, that of closing of that 5 minutes. This is for a bullish one. Okay, 5 minutes close must be greater than maximum -1 to high. So this will tell you what exactly the stock. So very few number of stocks which positive close. So let me check for a Titan. So 1% consolidation, and the last candle it closes the level. So maybe here it is a close, where if you are comparing past 20 candles, it's less than 1%. We are looking sorry, from this previous candle, we are calculating the 20 candle. Here previous candle up to 20 candle, it is exactly less than 0.8%, and this current candle which is closed above to the level, so that is what we are exactly expecting. So from here also where we can look at this from first 10 or 20 candles. So here less than, so if you are using this, it should be a minimum and it should be the low. If it is a changing for a downside. Maybe Titan also available. Let me check. Save this scan. It's purely for an intraday. Okay, and we can change the time frame for 15 minutes also. I want to check for Titan, whether the Titan which came here in this list. So let me open the data. Today's time frame, any point of the time Titan will came 39,024. So we have to, this is a backtest result. And today, if there any Titan, so many stocks is showing here. We're finding out. Yeah, 39,320. So 39, not recently. 39. So let me check that 39,320. This is 39,320. So this is what a breakout 320. So because previously that is in a range of less than 1%, and it was the breakout candle or a breakdown candle around 320. After the breakdown, it was giving you such a good downside movement, very smaller risk which you are taken out on this point. But how do I find out for an intraday? So we are using a 20 candles. Okay, so in 1 hour, how many candles we got it from this list? If stock 5 minutes which you are using, almost 12 candles in the first, and next almost we have to check that from around 10:45 to 11 o'clock, before 11 o'clock. So if you are looking for an intraday after 10:45 something you can see, and the same day levels you can get it. Okay, so 3rd October around 2, and this is what 3rd October 1:45, 1 o'clock. So maybe 5 minutes we have many more stocks, but around 11, and which you are looking at 11:10, and here at 11 o'clock. Before that, that is 10:30. It's not the right one, but 11 o'clock we have a Kotak Bank and Cummins India. So let me check Kotak Bank. What is happening here? 1% consolidation and Kotak Bank. Here, what is the time frame? 11, 12, and today's time frame 5 minutes, maybe here 11 o'clock. So where you can get it around like exactly 11 o'clock. So previous 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, almost previous 20 candles, it was less than 1% from that low, and maximum almost 0.82 only. So if you are calculating exactly from this top level, we can easily identify how many candles it is. So from that level up to previous candle, it is almost 18 bars. So we have to check from last 20 bars. It is exactly less than 1%. Okay, is less than 1%, which forming a consolidation, and then this particular candle, it is a breakdown candle. Maybe we can take, and 1% should be the stop loss. Here we are creating the code. So you exactly calculate how many candles, 20 candles or 30 candles. If you are using a 20 candles, after the 20 candle completed, you can able to find out intraday opportunity. Exactly. So for example, 60 minutes. So that you need to calculate exact time, how many 25 minutes. Okay, so 100 minutes, maybe more than 1.5 hours. You can exactly calculate, and for and pure intraday. So let me check. This is what last candle, and from that intraday basis, Cummins India Nifty also be there in the list with less than 1% consolidation, and maybe here 11 o'clock or 11 o'clock, 11:15. There is a consolidation up to previous 20 candles, and then given you the breakout. But there is a huge movement on those stocks to Nifty today, but mostly stocks will work. HCL Tech and consolidation and then breakout. So even you can change that. I want to change for a 0.5%, 0.5%. Okay, instead of that. So maybe very small or minimum number of stocks. So if you are looking at 11:15 3rd October, it's about TCS. It's a very tight consolidation at 11:10. So on 5 minutes time frame which I used it. So this is what a consolidation, and 11:10, this is a breakdown. This particular candle, I think. Yeah. So if you are looking at a 0.5% consolidation, so maybe a 0.5% should be my stop loss. And if I want to look for a bullish, and then you can change the code, and I will be adding the code here. So subgroup filter, any of this that we add here, and this will be add here, and that should be closer, must be greater than, so maximum duration should be high, and this will fetch you either the one. Okay, so both the scenarios is 11:15. So Bandhan Bank, let me check Bandhan Bank. So Bandhan Bank, this is a consolidation and less than 5% consolidation. That's a very important. 11, 15, 5 minutes candle. This is the breakdown. Okay, so let me calculate exactly how many 20 candles. If you are from 9:30, if you are looking at 20 candles, easily you will be finding out what should be the time. Yeah. So instead of calculating that, so exactly the time is 10:55. Okay, before 10:50, after 10:50, 10:55, if you find stocks, that should be a day where you can get the consolidation on the same day itself. But if you get any stocks before the consolidation, that would be calculating previous levels and today's level. And this would be the perfect consolidation breakout, which is happening less than 0.5%. Okay, so where you can change the values and it will be working for intraday. Here this particular scanner will be fetching you both the sides, like what we say, both the sides means closing above or closing below, because we have added these two conditions here that will be helping you to find out the consolidation after the bullish close or a bearish close. Both would be shown on this intraday consolidation. Same like that, whatever wherever the 5 minutes time frame, you should change as a 15 minutes. So here and here this will be automatically changed. Okay, and there you have to change 5 minutes to 15 minutes, then this will be working for 15 minutes. But if you are looking at 20 candle consolidation on a 15 minutes time frame, then you have to wait for a 15 minutes candle. So I'll think 4 hours later. So it is maybe not possible for finding an intraday. So the same code which we can use it for intraday. Okay, so then we will be finding a 15 minutes. So let's save the scan first, and then we will be creating a 15 minutes one. So let me simply we made it. So wherever 5 minutes, you need to change it to 15 minutes. Okay, once you change the values into 15 minutes, then it would be automatically converted into the trend, 15 minutes one. So automatically everything will change. And if you have 20 candles means maybe very few number of stocks we can see. And for today, 9:15 Nifty, it will be considering previous day's value. So Nifty, this is the breakdown, but I'm considering previous 15 minutes candle. If you are looking at previous 15 minutes candle, that would be less than 0.5%. Okay, so most of the stocks will not came there, so I'll be going for a 1%. So it's an adjustment where you can adjust the values to find out stocks. 15 minutes candle where you can see, and that is a today is 9:15, 3rd October. Opening itself, many stocks will like a Titan, because it is considering previous day's value. Let us look at this 15 minutes. So because this 15 minutes started by lower, that closes lower than this, and that's why it is showing, if you are calculating the 20 candle, it is less than 1%. So I hope you understood. If you are using 5 minutes time frame after 11 o'clock the day, but if you are using a 15 minutes almost after 4 hours, like 1:30 something, you have to find out for a day's breakout, same day calculation. But we don't get any stocks. For example, yesterday I will show you around 2:30, and this would be the same day breakout. Bata India 110, right? So Bata India 110, same day's breakout. So here, what is the date? 110. Okay, so where it is 1. So here there is a breakdown. What is the time? It's a 2:30. Yeah, here is the breakdown. So why it has happened? Last 15 minutes candle, that is happening here. If you are looking at, this is the breakout, and before that exactly 20 bars. So you need to check after 2:30 only for the same day breakdown, but it is not giving you as an intraday, but it may works as a positional. But if you are looking for a positional, you should consider that edging trades, because next day what would happen, we don't know. So if you are following for a positional one, so you can apply edging one. So this code will help you to find out perfect changeover. So save as. Okay, so I will submit this also, and it will be helping you to find out some opportunities. And such a kind of scanners which I am going to provide in my Telegram group, that is a ready-made scanner. You can modify whatever the time frame or whatever the adjustment which you want, you can also do. And this is what my scanner which I have created. And thank you so much. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. And if you want to create the scanner, you just follow the video and create your own. And if you have any questions or a doubt, just ping me on my WhatsApp number which shown on this video. And if you want to join my premium group, then you can just ping me a message and I'll let you update in the paid group so you can access all my premium scanner. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, doubts, just ping me on the comment box. Thank you.